All right, if you trade natural gas, this video is for you. It is Thursday, but let's kind of show you what is happening so you can make a better decision for yourself. Now, if you paid attention to my video over the weekend when we talked about natural gas re-entry points, well, guess what? We are here now. So let me give you some levels that you could focus on. Okay. And a couple of things that you also need to pay attention to. Number one is we still have an open price gap. Okay. That was generated back in December there. And then we have where price opened and still left a gap right in here. So we also have an open price gap here as well. So let's go ahead and label that just so you can use this chart and keep it. Okay. This gap was created between the Friday, January 16th close and the Tuesday open because we had a holiday on the 19th. So this, in essence, right now on the day time frame is our trading plan. Okay. So a couple things is if you are not in the VIP trading community, which you can find by going to my website up there and getting 50% off on your first month. What I want you to do then is if you're just here on YouTube, make sure that you mark up your charts, follow me, go ahead and pause the video if you need to, mark up. I'm actually going to call out the price as well in case you're on a mobile device. I want to make sure that you are taken care of just like our members are. Okay, so this open gap is at 2.71. This open gap to the top is at 4.22. So we've had a nice 3 days of movement since price has gapped on Tuesday because the markets were closed on Monday. So a couple levels that you got to pay attention to. Number one is 3.90. Okay, a very important level, supply and demand level you've got to pay attention to. And this level right here, 3.54. Okay, now if we break this down to this 4-hour chart here, okay, it hasn't really had a big movement, but you can see here why we called the next buy at this level because that level there, okay, ended up doing a break and retest. So it was a nice way for members that were continuing long to add to their positions or to cash out, wait for a break of structure, a retest of structure, and then continue back up to the upside for a very short duration because we start looking for exhaustion in the market. Okay. So as we can see here right now on a 4-hour level, okay, and again, mark this up at this level here of 3.47, that is a major structure point. Let me explain, right? Previous resistance turned into support. So this now becomes a supply and demand zone for natural gas. Also keep in mind that I am using, okay, the March 2026 futures contract. So what could we expect? Well, a couple of things that you want to pay attention to, and that's number one is it's now Thursday. It's lunchtime, 12 o'clock on the East Coast if you are in the United States. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the week for natural gas. So if you are not yet in a trade in natural gas, my personal advice would be do not trade natural gas and wait because as you can see, Sundays are known for volatility, okay, and for price to gap pretty substantially. So why get into a trade when you know that there's the potential for natural gas historically is going to be crazy and gap. So if you're not yet in this trade, I would probably tell you, forget about it. And we'll wait till next week if you're not in this trade. Okay. The buy happened down here when we talked about this area to start picking up some structural buys with natural gas. So at this point, we could presume, okay, and again, we've been talking about it for the last month or so, that natural gas this time of year historically is a buy because of the colder weather in the United States okay, where there's a higher need for natural gas. So obviously price is going to go up. So I would use a lot of caution if you plan to short natural gas. I do not short natural gas in January and February. Okay, I wait for pullbacks to continue buying natural gas. So looking at this chart here, we will probably, going back to this day chart, okay, we're seeing a retracement right now. Okay, we have a break of structure. If we add a Fibonacci level from this high to this swing low, we can see here that as of today, right, as of right now, we are showing signs of rejecting the 61.8 on a daily time frame. If we cross over to the weekly time frame, okay, I'm going to show you a couple things. You can see, do you really want to get into a trade against that steamroller of a candle on a late Thursday or Friday for a sell position? The answer is no. Okay, you do not want to do that. Okay, by the way, if you take a second, you're going to see there is a QR code that just appeared on your screen. Okay, so if you go up to this QR code, depending on which side I'm pointing, but anyways, if you see the QR code on the screen, if you scan that with your mobile device, or if you go to the video section of this video, you're going to see a link there if that's easier for you. I'm starting a mini trading academy from the basics of what Forex is to some more advanced topics in 2026. You'll get some short emails that's going to walk you through a lesson, maybe once a week, maybe every other week. Some will have videos, some will be short text. Go ahead and subscribe and you'll get that absolutely for free. So I'll leave that QR code there for you for the rest of this video. So you really want to avoid, right, trying to sell this thing now, because if we add a Fibonacci and now we go on a weekly time frame, okay, and we're going to take this high again to this low, right? We're still at the same 61.8. Okay, I think there is room to go higher, especially the fact that we are closing above the 50 and we still have a full trading day left. In addition to that, okay, in addition to that, I still see that we have unmet liquidity sitting up here in this candle, which would be right about this 3.90 level. So barring, anything crazy, I think we're going to continue moving up, and then we'll see what happens at this level. And then don't forget that we still have this open price gap up here. It doesn't mean anything. It's just letting you know that price usually gets filled at some point. It could take months. And then we also have this open price gap down here. But strictly based on time of year, supply and demand, we're looking at natural gas continuing to climb. So I would only be buying dips at this particular time. Okay. So if you need help, if you love natural gas or you're brand new to trading, and it's not just natural gas, crude oil, all the indices, Forex, I encourage you to take advantage of a first month off at 50%. Come on in, click on the website. We would love to see you there. See what we do. Okay. What's gonna cost you? About $14 for your first month or $16 for your first month. You got 30 days. Try it out. I can guarantee you, you're going to get massive value with live streams, coaching, seminars, and everything else already built in the app for you, web browser, iPad, whatever the heck you want to use. Okay. So I hope you got some value on this video. If you did, smash the like button for me. If you're brand new, subscribe, turn on your notifications. I keep it real, no fluff, no hype. I'm not here doing, shorts videos on, making $30,000 a day trading. Listen, if I can help you make $10, $15, $20 a day on a small account, that would be awesome. That's how you scale from there. That's how I started 9 years ago, about to start my 10th year fairly soon. So if you want real, if you want authenticity, if you're faith-based driven, if you want to keep it real with real members, 300 plus members, international that you can connect with, chat with. We've got people trading London session together inside of the community because they're awake during that time. I'm asleep during that time. This is a community for you. And again, I'm giving you 50% off your first month. And after that, it's less than $1 a day to come on in and do what we do each and every day with us. So you can have a stake in the game, right? because people take advantage of free. You can have a stake in the game. And I don't know anyone yet that hasn't made their money back each month from the opportunities that we give them with currencies, Forex, stocks, and everything else inside of our trading community. So anyways, have a great weekend. Be blessed. Don't forget to be kind to someone this weekend. We need more kindness in this world. And it starts with each and every one of us by doing random acts of kindness without social media, just something nice. As the Bible says, don't film your works. Just do quietly your random acts of kindness and build that kindness, especially if you've got children, they're watching. And so make sure that you pay attention to both your words and your actions. Have a phenomenal weekend. We'll catch you live on the Sunday Gaps if you're inside of our community. And if you have any questions, drop them below in the comments because I answer all questions within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Be blessed and be good.